How to remove text without blur in CapCut. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how you can remove a certain part of text that is appearing on your video and you want to remove it without any kind of blur. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your CapCut and select the video that you want to remove the text from. So let's say this is the video I want to remove the text from. So what you can do is, the first thing is you may just cut the certain part where the text appears. Let's say this is the part I'm just going to split, and this middle split is the part where I have text. So what I'm going to do is just freeze that part. You may just tap on that selected part. After that, you will be able to see freeze option when you scroll to the right at the bottom. Just freeze it. So we're just going to overlay the freezed part. I'm just going to tap on overlay. So this is the part. So what I'm going to do is, in order to remove that certain part of that video where the text appears, I'm just going to tap on the overlaid part. After that, I'm just going to tap on mask. You will be able to see this mask filter here. Just tap on mask and adjust it. So I'm just going to tap on this rectangle. After that, here I'm going to place that overlaid video on the part where the text appears. So after that, what happens is it just hides the text that appears on your video, and you can adjust it accordingly. You may just place it above the text, wherever the text is, and just edit it accordingly. After that, the text will be removed very easily. So therefore, by following that method, you can remove text without blur in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.